You hate your ex-girlfriend like hell, but why do you still keep visiting her Facebook profile? You still visit her page and a part of you cries. It's because you have not forgiven her. You are still holding on to pieces of the broken relationship by holding on to the hate. You are not ready to forgive. That's okay. The question I posed was, you hate your ex-girlfriend like hell, but why do you still keep visiting her Facebook profile? So I'm going to break the question in half. Hate is much easier for most people to deal with than depression. For this reason, hate can be a positive emotion as long as it isn't acted out or carried on to the point of injury to either party involved. If you do in fact hate her, it's most likely that you creep on her Facebook page to see if she has felled miserably to ashes and dust. The problem is, Facebook is a liar when it comes to the reality of such things. For example, you will see, OMG, my boyfriend took me to dinner and bought me a new car and is the most wonderful person in the history of the whole world. However, you will seldom see, my loser new boyfriend came in drunk again and peed in the clothes hamper. Seriously, stay off Facebook. Only you know why you're truly there, and she only shows what she wants you to see. This happens to everyone. Get over this soon. Hatred is not a healthy emotion. Learn to forgive her at least so that you can forgive or forget her and move on. Again, learn to forgive her at least so that you can forget her and move on. Otherwise, your next relationship will suffer. Thank you for listening to my podcast. Please consider subscribing. This is Chris Meyer, family law attorney for Houston. I represent clients in cases involving domestic violence, custody, and divorce. I am not a licensed therapist, and this advice does not replace the advice of a licensed therapist. Thank you for listening.